JJ School of Art in Bombay, in its long and eventful history, saw the emergence of many painters and sculptors from its portals who were trained in the academic style. Many of them became successful portrait painters. One of the early batch of students was Abalal Rahman from Kolhapur, who had exceptional talent in realistic drawing. One of Abalal's work can be seen here. Abalal returned to Kolhapur, where he was patronized by the ruler of Kolhapur, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, whose portrait can be seen here to the right. Another important portrait painter was Rustam Siodia. One painting from the JJ School of Art collection can be seen here to the left, while the portrait to the right is a work done in pastels. M.V. Dhurandhar was a well-known artist of the Bombay School who was not only successful professionally but also a teacher at his alma mater. Dhurandhar was extremely prolific and excelled in drawing. He has painted several portraits, one of which, a self-portrait, can be seen here to the left, while the painting to the right is a portrait of his wife. A contemporary of Dhurandhar and also a teacher at JJ School of Art was the Goa-born A.X. Trindade. Trindade was a sought-after portrait painter who has also painted a large number of portraits of his family members, including his wife and children. Here is a portrait of Dr. Annie Besant of the Theosophical Society. Trindade's portraits are remarkable for their use of light and shade or chiaroscuro, at which he excelled. One of his portraits, titled Flora, is the portrait of his wife Florentina, and this particular portrait is well known for his excellent use of chiaroscuro or light and shade, as can be seen here. This particular portrait shows Florentina in a reclining pose. This particular portrait won Trindade the award of the Bombay Art Society. Other important portrait painters from Bombay include Ellen Tasker, who was also another important teacher in the School of Art. Ellen Tasker's portraits can be seen here. He was also known for his landscape paintings. Captain Gladstone Solomon became the principal of Sir JJ School of Art in 1919. Solomon's tenure is important because he introduced certain changes in the curriculum of the art school. This included starting of the nude study class and also the Indian decorative style class or the mural class. Solomon was himself trained at the Royal Academy and he was proficient in portraiture as well. Here is a portrait of Lady Meherbai Tata of the illustrious Tata family, painted by Solomon. Another portrait, that of Solomon himself, was painted by another alumnus and teacher at JJ, A.A. Bhonsule. This particular portrait, which captures the likeness of Solomon, is of outstanding merit. Many significant portrait painters studied at the JJ School of Art in Bombay. These include names like S.L. Hardankar, Gopal Deuskar and M.R. Achrekar. S.L. Hardankar's self-portrait can be seen here to the left, while to the right there are two paintings, The Glow of Hope and Niranjani. Hardankar's excellent handling of light and shadow can be seen in these two paintings here. Hardankar was also well known for his landscapes. Gopal Deuskar was an immensely sought after and successful portrait painter of his times. After having studied at JJ School of Art, he got the opportunity to study abroad at the Royal Academy in London. He also got the patronage of several rulers such as the ruler of Baroda, Jaipur, Coach Bihar, and so on. Gopal Deuskar's portraits are known for their realism and his handling of brushwork and color palette. Here is a portrait of Maharani Gayatri Devi of Jaipur, which he painted. He also painted a large number of portraits of eminent personalities like Bal Gandharva, Lokmanya Tilak, Agarkar, Pula Deshpande, and so forth. M.R. Achrekar was another brilliant artist of the Bombay School. He was the art director in Raj Kapoor's RK Films. Achrekar has painted many portraits, which include this portrait of Waheeda Rehman, which can be seen here, and also the portrait of other film luminaries such as Guru Dutt. Achrekar's handling of watercolor and his exquisite brushwork is obvious in the two portraits to the right. An important portrait painter of the Bombay School was Shankar Parshikar. Parshikar is also known, apart from his portraits, for his figurative compositions as well as paintings based on Tantra. Parshikar was an influential teacher at his art school who inspired many students. Two portraits of Shankar Parshikar may be seen here. The one to the left is that of the famous theatre personality Vishnudas Bhave. Parshikar's style can be identified by the use of free rapid brush strokes and a luminous color palette. There are two contemporaries, Baburao Sadvelkar and Madhav Satavadekar of Parshikar, who were also notable portrait painters. Their works can be seen here. Sadvelkar's work also have a certain kind of spontaneity and a bright color palette. The works of Madhav Satavadekar are characterized by the use of a blue outline, which can be also seen in his landscapes and figurative compositions. Both Sadvelkar and Satavadekar held important positions in the art field as directors of Directorate of Art in Maharashtra. These two portraits, which one see at the right, are of K.K. Hebbar, the famous modern Indian artist. Hebbar studied in JJ and painted certain portraits in the academic style. The portrait in the center is that of Charles Gerard, who was the principal of the art school and also Hebbar's mentor. The portrait to the right is that of the artist's mother. Another important name in the field of portraiture is that of Professor Sambhaji Kadam, who, like Parshikar, was an important teacher at JJ School of Art. Kadam's portrait have a certain spontaneity, rapid brushwork and loaded color, which is obvious in these portraits here. The one in the center is the portrait of the famous Marathi poet Mangesh Padgaonkar. The sculptors of the Bombay School have made an immense contribution to the field of Indian art. Names like J.K. Mhatre, V.P. Karmarkar, B.V. Taleen, and Narayan Sonavadekar are well known. The sculptors made pieces for their individual artistic expression as well as a large number of portrait statues of famous personalities. Seen here is the portrait statue of Justice Govind Ranade, which is in Bombay, which was made by Mhatre. G.K. Mhatre is remembered for his famous sculpture to the temple, which he made when he was a student in art school at the tender age of 17. This particular sculpture won him an award, a silver medal, at the Bombay Art Society. Another major portrait statue is that of Lokmanya Tilak, made by Raghunath Phadke, which is at the Chowpatty in Bombay. Phadke later established a sculpture studio in Dhar in Madhya Pradesh. Narayan Sonavadekar is another important name who was responsible for the statue of Swami Vivekananda, which is in Kanyakumari. The octogenarian sculptor Ram Sutar is also famous for his works of political personalities. Here are seen two such examples. One is a bust of Mahatma Gandhi and the other is that of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.